Want to revolutionize your bike riding adventure? Well then, unleash the power of technology and pure exhilaration with the top e-bikes to reshape your cycling experience. From urban commutes to off-road adventures, these are the finest electric two-wheelers that incorporate style, innovation, and performance. Buckle up as we dive into a new era of pedal-powered possibilities with the 10 best electric bikes in 2023. Here's the Blix Vika Plus Flex, a versatile, compact, and folding electric bike designed for unparalleled performance and stability. With its thoughtful design, it offers an unmatched riding experience that caters to a wide range of riders. This folds down to make it incredibly portable and easy to store, while its 20-inch wheels and cushy 2.4-inch tires ensure a comfortable and secure ride. Plus, its low-step frame height allows effortless mounting and dismounting for riders of different heights. It features a powerful 500-watt rear hub motor for smooth rides, hydraulic disc brakes, integrated front and rear brake lights, and puncture-resistant tires with Kevlar technology for safety. Additionally, its digital display provides riding data, controls lights, and includes a USB port for device charging. Powered by 640-watt capacity, it covers a range of up to 45 miles per charge. No doubt, its user-centric design and customizable modular racking system make it a perfect companion for various adventures.
In today's competitive online marketplace, it's important to stand out from the crowd. And that's where Product Video Studio comes in. From a team of creative professionals specializing in crafting visually stunning product videos, you'll get engaged customers and increased sales. In Product Video Studio, we use advanced equipment like top-of-the-line camera gears to create attention-grabbing product videos that truly deliver the essence of your products. Working with us is easy. Simply send us your products and we will take care of the entire process until you're satisfied with the video.
The Turris electric bike by Ride1Up is an incredibly comfortable e-bike tailored for adventures. Its powerful 750-watt geared hub motor with 60 Nm torque provides robust performance for various terrains. With a range of 25 to 45 miles depending on factors like rider weight and terrain, it ensures you can venture far. The lightweight alloy frame houses internal protected and locked electronics, ensuring durability and security. It features a re-engined Prism LG cells battery with smart BMS and an adjustable speed LCD screen for intuitive control. Hydraulic disc brakes, suspension fork, and Honda tires contribute to the bike's performance and safety as well. Plus, it comes with water bottle bosses, chainstay guard, and front light. In fact, reviews highlight its strong pedal assist power, comfortable ride, and attractive pricing. The SPLACH PATRIOT is the most robust all-terrain e-bike. It is powered by a 1500-watt motor that can take you up hills and over rough terrain with ease. Also, it has a battery that can give you up to 42 miles of range on a single charge. Built with a durable frame and components, it can withstand even the most demanding conditions. The Patriot also has front and rear suspension that will absorb bumps and vibrations, giving you a smooth and comfortable ride. If you are looking for an e-bike that can take you to the most rugged terrains, this is the power choice for your needs. Now here's the Juggernaut Hub Duo, your ultimate solution for an affordable and comfortable e-bike experience. With its robust 750-watt rear hub motor and extended range battery, this conquers uphill terrains, rough landscapes, and long distances. Seamlessly shift from work commuters to outdoor escapades, all thanks to the Hub Duo's exceptional performance. As a flagship of the Juggernaut family, it shines as a user-friendly and budget-conscious choice. Besides, its rear hub motor effortlessly tackles hills, paired with a 910-watt internal battery for an impressive range of up to 75 miles on a single charge. This e-bike strikes the perfect balance between relaxed rides and potent power, appealing to both comfort and affordability. With the Radcity 5 Plus, you'll have the perfect companion for workdays and weekends. Designed to tackle the urban landscape with finesse, this electric bike is a game changer. Hydraulic disc brakes with a 750-watt geared hub motor turn hills into child's play, letting you conquer the cityscape without a drop of sweat. Crafted to fit your lifestyle, its high-step and step-through models sport ergonomic frames for ultimate convenience. It's your all-in-one solution, with a range of up to 50+ miles per charge thanks to its custom tire treads that maximize efficiency. With its vibrant hue and wider handlebars for nimble turns, it's your ticket to thriving in cityscapes. The Turbo LEVO SL, a lightweight e-bike that will change your mountain biking experience. With its lightweight carbon frame and powerful SL 1.2 motor, it's a suitable EMTB for riders who want to explore more trails and have fun on the mountain. It's quick and lively like a stump jumper and has enough power to help you go further and faster. With a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, it will let you ride all day long without having to worry about running out of charge. And with its 120mm of front and rear suspension, it's ready to handle the most challenging trails. Are you looking for an e-bike that can take you on your next off-road adventure? Look no further than the Aventon Adventure.2. With its powerful 750 watts motor, 4-inch fat tires, and suspension fork, it's ready to tackle any terrain. Whether you're riding on dirt roads, trails, or snow, it will keep you going strong. And with its long range of up to 60 miles, you can explore for hours without having to worry about running out of power. Besides, its torque sensor amplifies your pedaling cadence, so you can ride naturally and effortlessly. You can switch between 4 levels of pedal assist and throttle to take you on any terrain, from dirt roads to sand dunes. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, you will enjoy every ride with this for sure. Next, we have the XP 3.0 Black. With a 1000 watts motor and 55 Nm of torque, taking on hills and long cruises feel like a breeze. And guess what? You won't be sweating range anxiety either, because it has a battery that goes up to 65 miles on a single charge. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about power, there's safety too. Hydraulic disc brakes mean you can stop on a dime, no matter if it's raining. And when you're done tearing up the road, this lightweight e-bike makes storage and transport a breeze. Fold it up and store it effortlessly in tight spaces, or take it along on public transport without the hassle. Such convenience empowers you to explore new horizons and make the most of your city, town, or countryside. Moving to the next e-bike, the Aventon Pace 350.2. A high-performance electric bike that is perfect for commuting, recreation, or fitness. It has a powerful motor that can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and a long-range battery that can provide up to 40 miles of riding on a single charge. And guess what? Its battery, headlight, and brake light are all slickly integrated, giving you the smooth cruiser vibe. It also has a cool LCD screen that shows you all the deets, your speed, how far you've gone, and how much power is left in your battery. You can even hook it up with your phone through their app and brag about your rides. On top of that, you will have pedal assist with 5 levels, so you can dial up the electric help as you want. And when you are feeling lazy, hit the throttle and let the bike do the rest. Now meet the Atto Air 28, the ultimate urban e-bike for commuting and exploring. Its 250-watt motor provides plenty of power for hills and traffic, while the carbon belt drive is maintenance-free and lasts for 1,000 miles. This means the motor provides power only when you need it, resulting in a smooth and efficient ride. Plus, its powerful battery gives you a range of up to 100 kilometers, so you can ride all day long. Its lock design secures the battery, features a streetwise bell for theft protection, and has a 3.5-inch waterproof display for real-time data and optimal visibility. Wait, there's more. Its carbon belt drive is maintenance-free and has a lifespan of up to 30,000 kilometers, so you won't have to worry about lubing or replacing the chain unlike traditional e-bikes. So that concludes our list of 10 best electric bikes in 2023. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.